So good day guys. So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting for the day on our GBP JPY. So guys, if you are yet to subscribe and you've not done that yet, make sure you do want to click on that subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make a comment. Now let's see on this GBP JPY. Let's start with our trend. We can clearly see that GBP JPY is in an uptrend, very much clearly an uptrend, and the market is definitely giving us that bullish move to the upside. Now let's take a look at what GBPJPY did. So it did an high. Here comes the higher low. Markets eventually pushed up to give an high, and here comes the higher low. Markets eventually pushed up to give us a new high, right? And now here comes the higher low. So our next movement on GBPJPY is another bullish move that should give us a new higher high. So we should be expecting a rejection this level. This is our support level, minor support level. So a bullish move from this level back up is what we should be expecting for the day. So expect market to give us a bullish move to this movement. So upside on our GBPJPY. So in case there is going to be any changes to this movement, I'll make sure I give you guys the updates and I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, best thing you can do is click on that subscribe button, like, share, and make your comment.